Hey, it's Aram here. Welcome to the .com Truths Virtual Summit Hub. This page is going to basically be the one page you want to bookmark on your browser right now so you can refer back to any relevant links throughout the summit. Make sure you have access to the replays, access to the live events, access to any resources, and so on and so forth. Now, you've landed on this page and I just want to share my screen and show you a little bit about what is on this page so you can really truly make the most out of it. So I'm going to share my screen. Now, you are seeing this picture right here, but I'm going to replace this with a video, which is the video you're seeing right now. Now, depending on where you're seeing this on desktop or on mobile, the page should look pretty much the same, and with the exception of this little thing. Now, this is a giveaway, which is only going to be available just before the summit. So if you're seeing this page after the summit start, you probably won't see this little thing right here. And of course, the countdown timer as we're fast approaching. Now, I'm going to show you right here the different things. So I've got it set up where you have the live session, which is this link right here. And all you got to do is click on this button and it will open in a new tab. And again, it will show you the countdown timer for the next live session. And then you will see the actual session embedded on YouTube. You'll have a link right here where you can click and submit your questions. If you have a specific question for any of my guest speakers, this is the place to submit your question. Now, if you want to leave a comment as well, you can click on this button and actually just watch it when it gets streamed to YouTube and leave a comment right here. Now, note that this replay is going to be available on YouTube for 24 hours and then it will be taken down unless you have access to the all access pass or you are a VIP ticket holder, which I'll explain a little bit about that in a moment. Now, whenever you want to attend a live session, this is where you go. And you'll notice I make the links really easy. summit.comtruths.com/live. Okay. The next one right here is the replays. So this is where you will see the replays for the 3 replays for the day. And it will be available for 24 hours. Right now, because I'm recording this right now, there's no replays. I just did a little video here to explain the cash giveaway if you want to join. Now, if you do want to get unlimited access to the replays, then you can click on this button right here. It might be as a little banner up here later or something like that. But you'll be able to click this button and go to this page and sign up. And this is where it will all be explained. What do you get for the all access pass and so on and so forth. So all of the details will be explained. I won't bore you with the details. You can just read the details and so on. But yeah, definitely, obviously, I try to make it cheap and affordable. This just helps me cover the costs of putting this summit together. To be honest, obviously I've spent thousands of dollars to be able to put this entire summit together, and this just helps me cover costs basically. So that's that. If you want to do that, if you don't, that's okay too. But these are the details. So if you want to look at the all access pass, you can click on this link right here. And when you want to catch the replays, you can just click on this button. The session agenda of what is coming up. This is a very important link for you to click right now. So again, it is number 3. Session agenda, and it will open up. You'll see /schedule on the top right here. Now, here's again a countdown. Now, what I want you to do is 2 things. Number 1, I want you to click on this button right here. This is going to automatically, when you click, it will basically automatically add the events into your Gmail calendar with 1 click. So as soon as you do that, you'll have access immediately and you'll have it added to your calendar so you don't miss out. And you can also set up notifications. Now, this link right here is going to open and actually take you through the .com Truths booklet, which is going to explain to you, there's a little voice message right here first, but then it's also going to take you through day by day exactly what we are going to do and how to make the most of it. It is really important that you understand that what the main focus of the summit, yes, the speakers are amazing. Yes, the value is going to be awesome. You're going to learn a lot, but I want to do 20% learning, 80% implementation. My focus is always getting stuff done. And that is going to happen through co-working. Now, you would notice that here there is a gap. Like this is a 9 a.m. session, US Eastern. This is a 4 p.m. session. What happens in between? Well, I'll tell you what happens in between. I'm going to be on Zoom and you are invited to come and get stuff done. And I'll be on Zoom and I'll be helping the VIP members and my tech support members as well. and it's going to be really productive, and I really want you to take advantage of it and come. And if we've never met, I'd love to meet you in person and say hi as well. So again, I'll explain what the co-working means in this page and how to make the most out of it. Whether you're going to get one-on-one help from me or my team or not, doesn't matter. The point is that it's great to come and work together, and it's just a good little fun experience. So again, you'll see this co-working, like every day we got co-working. That's the main thing that I really want to do. Okay, so that's this booklet. You will see every single day what's going to happen. And also that way you can decide, okay, which one of these speakers do I really want to listen to? Because I completely understand you're busy. You may not want to watch every single one of these. But if you take a moment to just browse through this, you'll be able to see which one is going to give you the most value and attend those. Co-working, I think you'll get value, period. So I'd love for you to join those regardless. So again, this link to add to your calendar, this link to learn about the co-working and about the individual sessions. So that's 1, 2, 3. And I kind of had it like present, past, future. That's kind of how I had it in mind, how I laid it out. Here you've got 3 things which will probably go away very soon. Here is a giveaway. So you can click here and actually join the giveaway. All you got to do is enter your name and email, and then you'll have a bunch of things to do, which is basically to share the registration link. This giveaway is going to end very soon, so obviously that's not gonna be available, but you could still help share by becoming an affiliate as well if you want to do so. You're welcome to invite people even after the summit starts if you're enjoying it. Feel free to share it with friends and stuff like that. I will make sure that even if you share it after the summit starts and the giveaway ends, I will still provide some sort of bonus as a thank you for sharing this summit as well. Now, if you obviously are not in US Eastern Standard Time, there's a lot of people who are not, you just click here and it will automatically convert to your time zone. So you can see here, this is the times. All you got to do is add your time here. So let's just say I'm going to add London. You'll see as soon as I added London, you see it right here as well. So you can just add, depending on which country you're in, you could just add it and you'll see it. I have it as the main one, like, Eastern Standard Time, Perth, which is my time, Sydney, which is where I've got a few people there, and so on, Los Angeles and so on. And you could just add additional time zones as well. So that way you can kind of convert and make sure that you got it all set up. But again, if you click on the actual calendar, which is going to be under the schedule, like if you click here, it will automatically add to your calendar and sync it to the exact time you have your calendar set up. Here again, you can click on this button. It will actually show you the booklet with all the details. And this image is going to give you a high-level overview of what to expect and stuff like that. I would love for you to definitely make sure you attend the networking event. That's going to be awesome. And of course, the after party, which you're going to do. You're welcome to invite friends and family. It's going to be great and so on. So that's about it. I just want to share all of these details with you. I can't wait to meet you in person over Zoom, help you with your business, answer any questions, support you in any way I can. I'm going to be there. The co-working and the Zoom calls, all that stuff. I'm going to be on Zoom for well over 10 hours over the 5 days. So you'll have plenty of opportunity to come, say hi, and do some work together. Obviously, I do not expect everybody to be there. I want you to treat this summit as a buffet. And it's an all-you-can-eat buffet, and you can eat whatever you like. You don't have to eat the whole buffet. Just grab the ones that you like, what's going to add the most value to you and your business. So that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I really appreciate you signing up. If you do want to support me with the summit and learn a little bit more about the paid access levels, then you can click on the VIP right here, which is going to give you one-on-one time with me to actually get your website built. Like, I will literally be building people's websites on Zoom during the summit, okay? During those co-working, I'm going to, with the VIP ticket holders, I'm literally going to build their website, like right while you're watching. So that's going to be the benefit of VIP and also the All Access Pass. Those are the 2 different paid options. So you can explore those to see if that's a good fit. The price will double as well as soon as we actually start the event. So anyway, that's about it. I really appreciate your time and looking forward to meeting you soon. Okay.